Hello everyone, it's Omi from Gadget Tech. So today I'm gonna show you the configuration of the Xerox Address Book. So basically, when you scan something from your Xerox printer, you can get it from your scan folder. So how to do that? So let's get started. So I prefer Mozilla Firefox. Sometimes you can face a problem with Chrome browser to lock in your Xerox printer. So here I'm gonna log into my Xerox printer admin interface. So here is admin. Put in your password here. So basically, I'm using here Xerox Versalink V7025. So most of the printer and the scan is similar. So when you learn this one, you can work every single printer almost the same. So here in the left side you can see the address book. Click on that. See already the existing user here, so I will create new one and add contract. Click on that, and here write down the username. For example, here my username is Jack, and click on network SMB. Type your IP. So here should be your server IP. And here share folder name. So my share folder name is scan. Write the as it is name of the folder. Same here also. Is document path. Basically, I created the scan folder, and under the scan folder there is all the user folder I have created by their name, by the nickname or the username basically. So here the folder name or the as it is you have to type. So I created a scan folder here in share, and the document path will be the same as it is the folder name that I have created in a scan folder. So I prefer the username is better. So I check. So that is also the document path, and here login name. Type your admin ID and password. So you're almost done. Click on OK and click OK again. Yes, we're done with it. So let's check it. Yes, you can see check here. Sorry, here check. We created it, right? So now you can see it from your Xerox printer address book. You can see all the address book, all the user there, and you can see use one that you have created. And the thing is, when you scan something from your printer, you will get it your same folder. I mean document path, your Jack folder. So yeah, we're done with it, and thank you for watching this. Hopefully you will with me in my next videos. Thank you guys. See you.